Yo, this your man DJ Lil Shirt for 420 Friendly Radio. Hey, send me your music in real quick while I'm heading to the dirty floor real quick. Send me your music at djlilshirt@gmail.com. djlilshirt@gmail.com. Or tweet me at DJ Lil Shirt or hold on, calm down. Okay, look here. Facebook me at DJ Lil Shirt. Send me your music, your MP3s, all you independent artists out there. I said, wait a minute. Okay, send me your MP3s at www.420friendlyradio.com. Tweet me, DJ Lil Shirt, or hit me on Gmail. Hold on. DJLilShirt@gmail.com. Send me your shit. Send me your MP3s. I'm out of here. All right, man, we out of here. Damn. Fuck. Yeah, we going to the dirty floor. Shit. Is it Wednesday? Yeah, we got to get out of here. 420. We out.